In today's video, we're diving deep into the most common reasons your car won't start and how to fix them. Stick around to the end because I'll also share some quick troubleshooting tips that can save you a trip to the mechanic. Let's get started. 1. Battery problems. The number one culprit for a car not starting is a dead or weak battery. This could happen because you left your lights on overnight, your battery is old, or the terminals are corroded. If you hear a clicking sound when you turn the key, that's a classic sign of a battery problem. Here's what you can do. First, check the battery terminals. Are they dirty or loose? Clean them with a wire brush and tighten them. If the battery is completely dead, use jumper cables and connect your car to a running car's battery. If your car starts, you want to drive around for about 20 minutes to let the alternator charge the battery. If it doesn't hold a charge, it's time to replace the battery. 2. Faulty starter motor. If you turn the key and hear a single click or no sound at all, your starter motor might be to blame. This little device is responsible for cranking your engine. If it's faulty, you'll need a mechanic to repair or replace it. 3. Fuel system issues. Another common issue is with the fuel system. If your engine cranks but doesn't start, it could mean your car isn't getting fuel. Check your fuel gauge first. It might sound obvious, but running out of gas happens more often than you'd think. If you've got fuel, the problem could be a clogged fuel filter or a failing fuel pump. Replacing the fuel filter is a straightforward job, but diagnosing a bad fuel pump may require professional help. 4. Ignition problems. If your car doesn't crank at all, it could be an ignition system problem. This includes components like spark plugs, ignition coils, or even the ignition switch. Old spark plugs can stop your car from starting, so replacing them is a great first step. For ignition switch issues, you may need a professional to take a closer look. 5. Faulty alternator. If your battery keeps dying even after being jump-started, your alternator might not be charging it properly. Use a multimeter to test the alternator's voltage output. If it's not in the correct range, you'll need to replace it. This is a more advanced repair, so if you're not comfortable working under the hood, let a mechanic handle it. 6. Key or anti-theft system problems. Sometimes the issue isn't mechanical at all. Modern cars have anti-theft systems that can malfunction, preventing the car from starting. If your immobilizer light is flashing, try resetting the system by locking and unlocking the car with the key fob. Still no luck? Use a spare key or get your key reprogrammed at the dealership. 7. Mechanical issues. If your car doesn't crank at all and you hear grinding noises, it might be a mechanical issue like a broken timing belt or a seized engine. Unfortunately, these are major repairs that require professional help. So there you have it. We've covered some of the most common reasons why your car might not be starting. From simple battery issues to more complex mechanical problems, understanding these potential causes can save you time and frustration. Hopefully, this video helped you identify what's stopping your car from starting. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks.